Quick disclosure, this video is not sponsored. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be looking at the Halo Mega Floodgate Firefight, set number HNC59. This is going to be part 2. If you haven't had the opportunity, I definitely recommend checking out the first video. But as you may remember, this is what one Floodgate Firefight set looks like. Now let's go ahead and bring the second one out. Alright, so this is what two Floodgate Firefight sets look like. Now, here's what we're going to go ahead and do here today. We're going to be combining both these sets in a couple different combinations just to see what we can make. Before we begin, let's go ahead and combine all the figures and accessories together so that way we can take a look and see what everything looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and try and make a little battle scene here. So we have the two forklifts and these sandbags can also be combined together. Because there's only one Master Chief, I'm only going to put one Master Chief in this. Alright, so that's a neat little scene. Alright, so we have the Master Chief right there. He has the flamethrower in his hand. Alright, looks like he's getting ready to go up against 4 elite combat forms, 2 flood tank forms, along with 20 infected forms. Alright, without further ado, let's go ahead and combine both of these Floodgate Firefight sets. So the first thing we're going to do, let's go ahead and put them together. Alright everyone, go ahead and sit back and enjoy the build. Alright everyone, now let's go ahead and take this build apart, and let's customize it another way. Alright everyone, without further ado, go ahead and sit back, enjoy the build. If you all enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.